We are gonna start by drawing the stem first. Then you're gonna add a layer and draw another curved line on the top. This is gonna be your flower. Then 3 more curved lines at the top. Fill in the color. Now we're gonna draw the same shape that we just drew, but smaller on the bottom of your flower. We are gonna do this twice, one with a lighter color and one with a darker color. Make sure that every time you add something to your picture, you add a new layer. Adjust the size if needed. And now we are gonna draw the leaves. We're gonna start with the first one, and you can copy and paste to add them to the rest of the flower. Now we are gonna add the lines inside of the leaf, and we're gonna do this on each leaf. We are also gonna add 2 small leaves on our flower. You can now pinch all of your leaves together and your flower parts. Bring your leaves underneath the flower so the white part doesn't show on your stem. Now we are gonna add curved lines on our flower like this, Then we are gonna add small circles filled in at the top of those curved lines. Now you can go ahead and pinch all of your layers and your flower is done.